Hey shoppers, today I will be reviewing Timex Analog Men's Watch. This stylish watch comes with a luxurious genuine leather finish which makes it perfect for any occasion. Encased in a brass case of 40 mm, the blue round dial is protected by mineral glass. It also features dash hour markings, 3 hands and a crown for time adjustment that makes this watch an absolute must-have. Along with 30-meter water resistance feature, this analog watch by Timex features a leather strap in brown with stitch detailing that uplifts the look of the watch and is completed with a buckle clasp to ensure a secure fit on the wrist. This versatile watch will complement any style or occasion, be it a formal event or a casual night out with friends. This watch is a perfect choice for you. An additional 1-year warranty for manufacturing defects makes this watch a perfect.
Everyone, I'm Kush Jotwani and I'm here to talk about Timex Analog Men's Watch, available on Amazon.in. This versatile watch comes in a stylish design which makes it perfect for any occasion. This watch features a brass case and comes in a round blue dial with dash markings. The brown leather strap adds on to its elegant style. It comes with a 30 meters water resistance feature and a 1-year warranty, which makes it manly. You can style this watch with pants, shirt and loafers to go out and hang out with your friends.